We will going to watch some movie first, yeah? To just
Horror movie, please.
yeah, wait, share screen. Wait.
Horror movie. Who wants horror movie? Raise your hand.
Horror movie? No, 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 no.
You say yes.
Sorry, I said the wrong things. Where is the I don't know how I forgot how to use the
Yeah, wait a minute, Mr. Al. I will put you into the chat. I mean, sorry, the host. How to make it?
I did make him to the host.
Oh, already. Thank you, Thea. I thought there is not yet.
Bang forgot, yeah.
Yeah.
So silly.
All right. We're going to draw something related with the summer camp, like you are doing camp inside the jungle, and can you imagine the atmosphere will be like you with your tent, and then with a lot of we will have a lot of very tall trees and some scary uh, dark. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, for sure you will learning how to do it later on. Okay, before I start, I'm going to just give you a little bit idea about the
Little Box.
Oh, I'm a little.
The Carter
I'm
Family.
Chinese
Episode
music.
4. A ca-
I can't hear it. Mister, you on mute. I can't hear it. I cannot hear it.
okay.
I
Mom
cannot hear it.
in the car. Dad put the sleeping bags in the car.
How about now?
Okay, now I can hear.
The kids played in the yard. Harry threw a stick. Rover ran after it.
Everybody in the car.
Dad said. Rover looked for the stick.
It's time to go camping, Rover.
Said Harry. Rover was still looking for the stick. Everybody pulled Rover into the car.
Here we go.
Said Dad. Dad drove, and Rover barked loudly. Soon they were in the woods.
Okay, watch how the tent is looks really big, yeah, and wide. This one is like
I already know.
yeah, it's like a family tent. You already know this video, the Fanka?
Only in Chinese we only watch the Chinese videos, not the English.
Okay.
But
How about you, Alithia? Have you watched
if the
this video
tent
before?
is small, no. People can.
Oh, this is your first time, yeah? If you have anything to say to us, just ask, okay, Alithia? I don't want you to be just silent. You have to talk a lot. You need to practice your English, okay?
Okay.
We are here because we need to practice together. Mr. Al's English is also bad, but I willing to try. I always want to try. I don't care people say that, oh, Mr. Al, your English are bad. I mean, sound is not really good. But for me, it's okay. I'm just trying. Okay, I don't care about the result. I'm good or not, but at least I try to speak. All right. Hi, Ruth. How are you, Ruth? Good evening. I mean, good early evening or afternoon. I'm sorry. I don't know. Hi, Ruth. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, basically, Ruth, today we're going to draw something related with the summer camp or holiday camp, something like that. We're going to draw people or kids or children having a camp inside the wood, inside the jungle. Yeah.
Party.
Yeah, we're going to experience how to draw people in the wood, like they are sit down in the summer camp and then in front of the tent and something like that. Okay, I'm going to play it again one more time.
The Carter Family. Episode 4. A camping trip.
Yay!
Said Harry.
We're going camping.
Mom put the tent and food in the car. Dad put the sleeping bags in the car. The kids played in the yard. Harry threw a stick. Rover ran after it.
Everybody in the car.
Dad said. Rover looked for the stick.
It's time to go camping, Rover.
Said Harry. Rover was still looking for the stick. Everybody pulled Rover into the car.
Here we go.
Said Dad.
Okay, question first. Why Rover feeling uncomfortable inside the car? Alithia. Because of what?
Stick.
Why that Rover becoming so uncomfortable inside the car? What is thinking?
Stick.
Oh, stick. Yes, correct. Rover thinking about the stick.
Dad
Right?
drove, and Rover barked loudly.
Okay, they plan to go somewhere.
Soon,
Okay, Ruth, where they heading now? Why? I mean, where's the car heading to?
To the camp.
Yes, to the camp area.
The
or
woods.
The woods, yeah, or the
they were in the
jungle.
woods.
What the daddy's trying to create? The Vanka in the middle of the tent.
The dad is trying to create a campfire.
Yes, the campfire.
Mom and Harry set up the tent. Dad and Emmy made a campfire. Oliver found bugs. Rover sniffed all around. Dad cooked dinner over the fire.
All right, we're going to draw people's or children's or family are doing a camping, okay? Now I want you to prepare your paper. Let's get it on. We have to try to draw. I'm going to try to prepare my camera first, and then you guys prepare your paper and your marker, okay? Let's try it. Wait, I'm going to stop sharing this one. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very clear. What happened? Do you have any questions so far? Okay, I think my camera is on now, and then we're going to start, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
All right. First of all, Alithia and Ruth, when you're working with your paper, you have to understand, okay? This is the area that you will draw. Don't try to make your drawing a little bit more left.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, if you're trying to create something on the left, it will be unbalanced, right? Or if you want to get something, hi Ivo, how are you today? Good?
We have to use balance method.
Yeah.
If there's a shark in here, it means if you want to put flowers, there will be more flowers.
Yeah, you have to make it balanced. Yeah. All right, we're going to use our first layer for the people now here. All right. As usual,
Landscape or portraits?
landscape. I want you to draw landscape. Okay,
Like this, horizontal.
Yeah.
Should I use my marker first?
Oh, you want to take your marker first? Okay. All right. At first, we're going to draw U letter
Use
as usual.
you.
Not too big,
Perfect.
not too small. Okay, I just want to draw 3 children. Yeah, if it is too much, maybe it will be hard
I
to
will
pass through.
draw
Yeah, you can draw 4 or 5. It's okay, Mr. Al.
or 100. I just want to draw two children.
Okay.
I just want to draw 10 children. Oh
10.
my god!
It's okay if you want to try it. Come on.
There
Now,
are so many children. Oh. I can also draw 11.
all right.
Wait,
Try
I
to
will
draw.
draw 4.
Yeah, now Mr. Al is trying to draw the kid.
They're camping with their friends. 4. I'm also drawing 4.
Wow. Cool.
I'm going to draw 100. What? No, it won't fit on your bottom of your paper. I'm just going to make so many children at the side. I'm going to
All
draw.
right. Now we have to try to draw the hair first. I think I'm trying to draw
The cracking egg. I need to draw the cracking egg.
yeah, cracking egg effect.
Stop it. I want to use another style of the hair. Tapi, you can draw how many you want. I'm going to color the hair in.
Yeah, as usual, we draw the neck first like that. And then maybe
You
the
don't need to copy Mr. Al. You can draw how many children you want or people you want.
yeah, you're correct, Ivanka. Don't copy me, okay?
Mr. Al,
Yeah.
you're too fast.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. I'm just too excited. I'm sorry.
Me too. You're too fast. You mean a lot excited.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, okay. I just want to draw rectangle. Don't forget to draw your.
Don't forget to draw the eyebrows, sister. I'm actually going to draw for 2 actually.
Yeah.
Oh, the eyebrows.
Okay.
I don't really know how to draw our eyebrows. How about the eyebrows?
Eyebrow is something like this, right? Like the line above the eye, like that.
Okay, I'm going to draw boys and girls.
Yeah.
2
Don't
boys
forget.
and 2 girls.
Yeah. Don't forget to
It
draw
makes 3 girls and 3 boys and 1.
draw the body a little bit more longer. Yeah.
I'm gonna make boy.
This
Oh my.
person are wearing jacket.
I'm going to draw another boy.
Yeah, you can make 1, 2, or 3 people or 4. If you want to follow me, it's okay. If you don't want to follow me, you can make your own. Don't forget,
Yay!
try to draw the hands nicely like this. Yeah, with the finger. And then this person are holding.
We have to draw the fingers. I'm not good at drawing fingers.
You're not good in drawing what?
Fingers.
Try it. It's okay.
I'm good at drawing hairstyles on drawings. I said fingers, not hairstyles. I already know, but look. Oh, it's cool. I told you I was good at drawing hairstyles.
Okay, Ruth and Alithia and Ivo, I put the hands like this because these kids are trying to say that, oh, don't throw anything on the wood, please. This person are trying to litter, yeah, try to put all the garbage in the wood. But
The boy student is like, don't say anything bad to the teacher.
Yeah. Okay,
And drawing fruits.
don't forget to draw the hands longer. Body longer,
Equals.
hands longer. Don't try to draw it so short. It will be looks really funny later on. Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever seen people with only short hands?
Yeah, that's why it looks funny. God's already created us with a very nice, perfect body.
These two girls are actually families and they're sisters. They have beautiful long hair. And
Okay,
me,
so
they're not one family. They're two families. A friend comes with a friend, and a friend brings a family, and this person brings a family too.
yeah. Okay, now Mr. Alice try to draw the body and then the short, the
So
long.
you're too fast, I think. Wait, I need to draw the face. I haven't even drawn the face.
Yeah, draw the face first. Come on, Ego.
Girls.
Like that. Okay, this person are wearing bag. Yeah, it's simple. You just draw some line on this area and on this area.
Wait, your the rope. I mean the thing on the bag is too long.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot. And then now I try to draw
I'm
the.
going to draw a table for students. You
Yeah,
cannot actually see the body.
and then this is the back
Peanuts.
behind this boy.
I'm going to draw the mouth.
Yeah.
And this girl is like, ooh, I want to take that thing. Is it something or whatever it is? I don't know what it is.
Have you ever doing camp, Alethea?
I never go to camp.
How about you, Ruth? Have you ever doing camping somewhere?
Never, ever.
Never, yeah. How about you, Ivo? Have you?
I never, ever, 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 ever camp for my time.
If somebody asking you, if your mommy or your daddy asking you to go camping, would you like to join with them?
Nope, I don't even have an outside tent. I only have an inside tent. Have a Hello Kitty tent.
No. Usually when you go somewhere to the camping area, they already provide the camp.
Even I have an inside tent. I also have an inside tent.
Wow.
I have an inside camp, but I cannot camp because I don't know how to make a campfire. I only can pretend to camp at my balcony.
Yeah. All right. So Alethea,
It allows me to go camping.
yeah, Alethea and everybody, if you know already how to draw people, please do another one. Yeah, do not follow. First,
Especially me, I already learned this from K2. Yeah,
draw
kindergarten.
the hand like this first.
I'm confused how to draw a chair. Oh, a chair, it's easy. Sometimes for the campsite, the chairs usually little. We use log for the chairs. Well, actually, this time the students are at their school, and the teacher
Alethea,
we
how
can
if your mommy or your daddy asking you to go camping, would you like to join with them?
maybe.
Why?
But I don't camp.
Why you say maybe you don't like to be in the woods? Yeah, just ask your mommy, mommy, just go somewhere, go camping. I want to feel, I want to have some experience when I going camping. That these girl are wearing what?
I will make.
Yeah, the back like this.
I've seen one of those. Can I ask something?
Yeah.
I was trying to say that the students aren't camping. They are at the classroom, and the teacher wanted to say that we will camp tomorrow.
Oh, so you already having like inside the school camping like that, Ivo?
No, she says like, oh yeah, you already have a camp.
Yeah, later maybe on when you grade 3, Bupanka, you will having the camping in your school. All right, now we're done with making our picture. We're going to draw the camp, yeah, the tent. All right, I'm going to draw the biggest tent first.
What? I
Yeah.
will make it as a triangle.
I'm going to share you the slide about the wait, the tent, so that you get your uh, idea about the something.
I have one more question to do.
How is it? Wait, I'll share you the picture of the pen. Maybe you can get some idea from here. Okay, this is the pen,
Okay.
the triangle pen, or maybe we can use the biggest pen like this.
I think someone. Oh my gosh. That is how campsite. That's a campsite, I think. Yeah.
Going to set this one first. Open this one.
I think that's a campsite.
Yeah.
Wait, is there an app which is like Roblox?
Okay, so I will draw the tent. First of all,
Oh, you know Roblox?
yeah, we
Let's
have to
Roblox.
draw.
I never played Roblox. It's easy to play Roblox, just download it and done. I play Roblox sometimes. I play Roblox.
Okay, guys, this is how to draw the tent. You have to draw a triangle first like this.
I made a girl.
Okay, draw a triangle like this first. There's a triangle.
Mister, I think your tent is too small for people.
Yeah, and then you draw.
I'm going to draw big tent.
Yeah, that's why you have to draw big tent.
Wait, Mister, I thought we're going to make the parents.
So what?
I thought we're going to make the parents.
Parrot? What is parrot?
Parents! You don't know parents?
Oh, parent.
The big people. There's a flag on the top.
Okay, I draw the tent here. Please try to use your imagination how to draw the
You know what? They also brought a table which is from the school, but they actually brought everything from the school to the campsites.
After that, I will draw another tent here, but I'm going to make it a little bit different. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I'm just.
Whoa, my tent is very big. My tent is very tall.
Wow, cool, Ruth.
There's a flag on the top. It says yay.
Okay, this is the door of the tent. Remember, later we have to use dark color on the tent, yeah? Okay.
Like this, I already draw one big tent.
Yeah.
On the back.
Remember that the tent is
whatever.
always like you need a rope. This is the rope, the string. The string will be.
Why are you lagging? Why is everyone lagging?
Okay.
I have an idea.
All right. One more time. This one, Alithia and Ivo, Ruth and Bupanka. I'm going to draw another triangle here. I was trying to draw another tent.
Everyone lagging. Okay, good. It's not like a medium tent. I'm gonna make 2 tents for 2 groups.
Yeah, 2 tents for 2 groups. It's a good idea.
I'm gonna make 3 tents. What? Are you? I'm going to make 100 tents. Oh, come on. It's not impossible. I mean, it's not impossible. This is the flashlight.
Oh, they are wearing, holding the flashlight. Yeah, that's really
Oh yeah.
a good idea.
Yeah, I am drawing the flashlight for that. Don't forget snacks. Snacks. Their snacks are on their bags. So
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. After this, we're going to draw.
I think this person is holding a mic, not a flashlight. It looks like a mic, not a flashlight.
Yeah. Try to draw the tree.
I drew the campfire, but it can't be seen. I'll make a campfire. I need another one.
Now I am trying to draw the tree, guys. I'm trying to make it simple. Yeah, the tree.
Okay. I'm gonna make a fire.
Okay, I will make another one.
No ink. Oops. I'm gonna draw a zip too.
Okay, now you have to draw tree, yeah, behind it. I try to make the tree a little bit simple, only like having two branches like this.
Why no ink?
And then after that, this is the fun part. I'm trying to draw the tree like a random shape. Right? Remember that in the wood, the trees are very big and the leaves are very flat. Yeah, they're also very tall. Oh, sorry, no. You have to do everything.
Don't forget to draw the zip on the backpack thing.
No. Coba dulu. Coba dulu.
See. And
Okay, after this one, we have to draw the tree, yeah? This is how to draw the tree. Come on, this I will be waiting for you.
I'm going to draw tree.
Yeah, draw the tree like this. This is a simple one. Maybe next time I'm going to teach you how to draw the tree more complicated. Okay, this is the random. Some big, some small, some big, some small, some big, some small, big. Yeah, it's random.
I don't want to make a baby. Is it time to paint?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to draw another one again. Don't forget the tree needs to be very big. Yeah. One more time.
Okay, if it's not big.
Yeah. Big, small,
Big
big,
or small?
small, big, small, big, small, big. Oh, cool. This one.
I'm going to draw a chips
What?
that have a phone, that have a backpack.
I'm drawing now the tree, all the things. Okay, I think I'm done.
Do you like my drawing?
Can I see that? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, like that. Yeah, Ruth.
Do you like mine?
Don't forget, Ruth, the back side you have to draw the bushes, yeah?
Yeah.
Here is the bushes.
Do you like it? Wow.
Yeah, like that, Evo. Nice. How about you, Alithia? You want to show it?
This.
Wow, cool. Yeah, like that. How about you, Devanka?
This is
Yeah,
gonna
like that.
even though it's close by the tent. You draw the line for the land.
Yeah, line for the land.
Here can be the wheel here. Must be
You
here.
know the line for the land, right?
So
Yeah.
you
Don't tell me you
the
don't
wheel
know.
here. It means it's not on the line. Look, all the field.
I'm going to throw some decoration at the tent.
Oh,
Make it
okay.
up.
Yeah,
Like bum?
boleh.
A bum.
Yeah, you can try to create some decoration on the tent. Maybe some
Come on.
little ponies, flowers on the.
I hate these markers. I'm decorating this.
Okay, now it's time for us to decorate first before we try to color it. Yeah. Okay. How about the okay? This is something.
I think I'm decorating too fast.
Yeah. Can you say it again?
Video.
I didn't hear that.
I'm decorating too fast.
Oh, you're decorating so fast. Yeah.
Now
Okay.
I got balloons. I'm drawing too many flowers.
Yeah, it's a good idea when we draw some something.
I need to be creative in my smart brain.
Yeah, agree with you. You have to be creative. Don't stop, okay? If somebody, I mean, if you don't do it, just be creative. You have to
Oh.
try to always find a way how to solve your problem.
Let's see. Can I now paint?
What? Ruth?
Can I now paint?
Can I what?
Can I paint now?
Yeah, of course. Come on, let's try to paint. Don't wasting our time.
But I'm doing the decoration.
Oh yeah, be careful. Don't put too many decorations. You will be.
I'm drawing apple on the tree. Yeah,
Yeah.
apple tree.
Okay.
Like apple tree, like Applejack. Apple trees.
Water. More water.
Okay, now actually it's our time to color the face
Exactly.
of the people. Yeah.
I'm gonna make like a more decoration. Do you like my guitar decoration?
Yeah, nice. Wow, you draw so many people.
I work so hard. Can I paint now?
Devanta,
I think I want to paint. People? What? Can I see a drawing? Yep. Fantastic.
wow.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
I worked so hard with my
Yeah, good job, Devanta. Like
the
that.
apple farm and the campsite.
Lang ini sayang.
I am going to paint.
Benar.
Okay, now Mr. I will try to color the skin of the people. Yeah, some of them are very
It's
white,
too watery, mommy.
Nanti it's gonna be dry.
and this boy having a little bit dark
I'm
skin.
gonna make the chips in yellow.
Yeah. And then this girl are having a little bit dark skin because she like traveling around.
Can we use gradation?
Yeah, of course.
Now I am using gradation,
Yeah.
and it's I'm using a little bit of height.
Wow, cool. Yeah, Alithia, like that. Okay, Alithia, I think you need to start to color it. Remember to use gradation. Gradation is something like you start from the dark color and you yeah, into the light color.
I'm using a lamp. Toing, 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 toing.
That color background on the trees,
Uh-oh.
and then I'm going to mix it with the.
I put Wait, I'm gonna. Makes look bright. I put too much water.
Oh, don't put too much butter there.
Yeah. I will make the flag a indigo.
Okay, if I give you a choice, Alethea or Evo or Wood, if I give you a choice to go to camping or beach, go to the beach, which one you going to choose?
It would like go to the beach.
Why?
This is so much fun to play in the ocean.
Yeah,
Go to the middle of the ocean.
yeah.
My dad lived with there, but yeah.
Okay, Mr. Al trying to creating
Okay, I'm trying to make a floating tent, but I cannot because no tent ever floats.
oh yeah, Susanka.
Would you rather eat cookies or eat cakes?
I think I like cookies. Why?
It's okay, I just want to ask you.
Okay, Susanka, beach or camping in the woods?
What?
Going to the beach or camping in the woods?
Going to the beach
Yeah,
or camping in the woods?
yeah. Which one do you prefer to choose?
I would rather go to the woods.
Why?
Because I never experienced it. And I very want to camp.
Okay, how about you, Ivo? Which one you want to choose? Going to the beach, swimming there on the sea, and then or going to the woods?
I might go to the woods and the beach. I miss the beach.
Yeah.
Because I ever go to the beach with my daddy and my mom. It's covered.
Oh, sure.
Oh, because Aida jangan
La,
terlalu
la, 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 la.
Right. Now we have to work independently. If you guys want to blend the color, creating gradation,
Good thing
boleh
I
try
made
nggak sayang?
campfire.
yeah,
Sini loh, habis pakai sini loh.
Come
that's how
on,
we
sir.
do it. Yeah.
Ini.
Mr. R try to use a dark green first, and then after that I'm going to mix it.
Highlights.
Aida
Yeah.
jangan
Just remember that
see
when
kalau
you want to wash your brush, please wash it until it's clean, so that the color will be the color will be so bright, nice. Okay? This is how you wash your pen brush, something like this. And then after that, we're going to use light green. Don't forget to apply 3 colors on the trees. Light green on this area.
Gonna make the tree very big and small.
Okay, don't forget to
Making the
apply.
trees more wider.
Yeah, apply 3 colors on the trees. Yeah, I'm going to watch later.
Making the giant sky. Alan, can I apply 3 colors on the tree? I'm going to make some butterfly heart. What do you mean? Butterfly, which is like a heart.
Oh yeah, it's a nice idea also to draw the butterfly, because in the woods we will find so many insects. Like one of them will be butterfly.
Butterfly hearts are the most nice dead creature in the world. I love them. They're rare. And also they are rare and sometimes it's dangerous.
Okay, see that. Us now are applying three colors on the trees. I'm using dark brown, dark green,
Put some decoration.
light green, and then yellow. You can follow me in this case, yeah? Just slow down, enjoy the process, guys. If you feel thirsty, you can eat or snack with your snack or drink your milk if you
Yes.
have it. Wow, yeah, feel like that. Can I see that?
There's the
Yeah.
butterfly hearts.
Ivo, what is the background behind the tent? Have you drawn the trees or maybe a mountain or something like
I haven't even drawn a mountain.
that?
I don't know how to draw a mountain.
Mountain.
Mountain. Come on, we're gonna get also. Mountain.
Maybe next time you can
Mountain.
draw the mountain, yeah? All right.
Everybody knows that. Ever go to the people hiking in the mountain? Yeah. Would you rather eat fruit or junk food? Yes, mountains start with N. Mountain. Not. You say mountain starts with N. Mountain.
No.
M. Oh, I think I know it's M. Hey, I know it's M, but I'm starting with the N. Don't say hey. Yeah. Hey is for horses. You know hay, right? The horses, the thing or horses eat. That the thing that the hay, not the hay of the horse that eats them.
Okay, you can talk, but your hands need to be working, yeah? While you talk, your hand is always like moving to the, to play.
Don't make your creation like only lines and lines and lines and lines and lines. Went to Taman Selecta.
What is that?
What do you
Very
mean?
good.
You know what is Taman Selecta? Nope. Well, Taman Selecta is a place where you see horses and flowers and you can see swimming pools and also you can wait. Did you say swimming pools? Swimming. Well, I didn't swim. Yeah. Well, I have a new school that can learn me how to swim because I haven't even learned how to swim. But I learned how to swim from maybe like kindergarten 2 or maybe kindergarten 1. I don't know. I'm already in kindergarten 2.
Oh,
I'm
cool.
already in grade 2. I am kindergarten now. I already have a 4 cheek. Which means, oh my god, so 7 of my teeth fell down. I have only 1. And I didn't know that I have 1. No, I'm already grade 2, but I'm still thinking like grade 1. Bro. Okay. Since when did I learn how to swim? Let's just go back to working.
Yeah.
I'm working, okay? Good. Yes,
Okay, who's now working with the sky? Who's now working with the sky?
I'm going to be careful because of the butterfly. At the sky, I think I'm done with the butterfly. Oh my gosh, you have to see that tissue. After that, it's gonna be very messy. And I also take some of my voice looks almost the same as your Ifo. Your Ifo. It looks almost the same. What? Yeah, really. I have this giant brush. What? Snazzy? What? Okay.
All right, keep on working, everybody. Now Mr. Al is trying to use dark blue.
Okay, Mr. Al.
Yeah. Okay, I want you guys, listen up. I want you to apply gradation, okay? Gradation to get this color. It can be created using dark color first. For example, blue gradation start with the dark blue like this, and then it will be gradually
Highlights. Ah, yes.
go from dark color into the light colors. Okay,
Oh my.
try to apply it.
Oh my God.
Score. I'm going to score your drawing at the end of the session. Okay,
Ooh.
I'm gonna score.
I got chocolate milk for you.
Wow.
Chocolate milk. Let me see. Oh,
Okay,
I'm
now
gonna make it baby, so I need to focus. Again. Who is Giovanna? What? It's Thea's friend, which is next to Thea's house, and they are best friends, and I make new friends which is with them, and sometimes Giovanna say bad words to me, but that's okay. I just ignore it. Ew, bad word.
yeah, don't even say it, yeah, even though you know already, but please don't say
I
that.
don't, just ignore it.
Yeah, just ignore. If your friend keep on saying that word, please stop saying.
Actually, don't take revenge.
Yeah,
Don't take revenge.
what will you do if you see that one of your friends keep on talking a bad word? Evil.
My page is so messy. No, I mean right
What
here.
will you
I
do?
think I will take revenge. Nah, I'll just ignore.
Jakarta, what will you do if you see one of your friends keep on talking bad word?
I already said it.
What?
I'll ignore.
You will
I
ignore.
already said it and you don't hear me.
Okay, you have to talk to adult, okay? Maybe you can find your teacher.
Don't get bullied. If someone say that she don't like you, just ignore it. Ignore in your hearts. Well, I didn't say it.
I know.
She's my best friend in my whole entire life. Ew. Best friend. You mean Giovanna or not? No, I met Ruth. Oh. What? She's my very most kindest friend in my life. What did you say? I said the most kindest friend in your life. What do you mean? What's kindest? That means Ruth is the kindest thing in our lives. Oh, okay. Actually, I got a kindness like. Actually, I got a best friend and she subscribed. Oh my gosh. I don't have any subscribers in my YouTuber. Ifo, Mr. Al has a YouTube, so subscribe to him. Please, Ifo.
For the subscribers.
Yeah, there are two. There's Children Art Club and those Rojali. Ifo, don't tell me.
All right, enough. Come on, keep on working. We are running out of time.
There's only 6 minutes. Why did karate suit this purple?
Yeah, there is a time to talk. There is a time to work. Come on. At least you
I
have.
need to go slow because I don't want my artwork to destroy.
Yeah.
I want to work slowly.
Come on,
Slowly. Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Don't forget after this you have to present.
My blue is. I can see my blue. Oh, my blue is running out. Oh my god. Oh no. my white becomes gray. It's okay. I don't want to use black. It destroys my hair, which is actually black. What am I talking about? You use black at the last. After you use bright color and then you use black. Black is the last one. But I already used black 2 minutes. Right,
Yeah.
am I right?
Yeah, why? Why we have to use black for the last part of our painting?
Because black is the darkest color of all.
Yeah, because
Your
when you're
life.
using dark sometime, when you're using black, maybe later your painting will look so messy.
I'm gonna use brown for my tree. Wait. I think brown and black is best friends.
Yeah.
Mr. Al? No, white and black is best friends, not brown and black. It's white and black. Well, white is lightest and black is darkest. Yeah. So their relation is the EST. S. But when they mix, the black is still stronger because it makes all the colors of the rainbow into. No way! White is stronger. White makes it gray, not black makes it gray. Let's see. Oh, I know. I'm going to use black on my tissue. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
No. Don't put it in your tissue. It won't work on tissues again. It won't work on toilet papers. What? Hey, all right. There is my famous cream. Mr. Al?
Yeah, Ruth.
Last time I banged my head in the window. You banged your head in the window? For real? Yes, and it hurt.
Are you bleeding? No?
Yeah, it was like bang, and then I just ran and didn't cry.
What's happened?
Well, today I just broke my mom's cup, even though it's old because it's glass, and then I go to my room alone and apologize to your mom. I said my fairy godmother is alive. The toy. For real.
What's happened?
And I began to cry so hard
Ruth, what's happened?
until she became 100% mad.
Yeah, you do not see the door, Ruth. Why are you banging the door?
I was petting a chichat's tail, and when the chichat was when someone just called my name, I just banged my head and then ran to the living room. What? The living room, for real. I want to tell you something. In school, like this is a table, and this is the corner of it. I'm doing like this, and then accidentally I did like this, and then this one, whoosh, blood came out of this, and for real? Nah, not blood. I think. Yeah. No, I mean like yeah, it's for real, but blood doesn't come out of it. It's just like it stays on it, and then I cried a little bit, but I don't really cry. I'm at class. Who cries at class? I'm going to draw a clown on my face. What? No. For real, but I'm going to not take a bath tomorrow morning. I will take my crayons and then put it on my face. Ew. Ew. Is it real? They're actually special. You do it. Put it on your face, kids.
All right, come on, color it.
Okay.
Color it. You're running out of time. We have to finish first. After that, you can
Oh no, I'm losing time.
do that. Even Ruth,
I like Upin and Ipin. What? It's a. I know Upin and Ipin. I like that movie. I don't watch it since I'm dizzy, pushing, and then like the mom, I'm sick. You're sick? That's why I don't watch TV anymore. Oh. Plus, I am sick. I'm sick because my dad pushed me to go play. Wait, hold on. That is Mr. Al. Yeah. So, what? I call my... Yeah, Mr. Al is my dad, so I call him dad. Actually, in person, I don't call him dad. I call him Mr. Al. But here, I call him dad.
Okay, let's see. Who can finish earlier? Come on.
Who can finish in just 10 seconds?
Yeah.
Hey, it's impossible. What can?
Ready, get set, go.
Are we in a drawing competition? Okay, let's see. Hurry up.
Suaranya dikecilin aja.
Hurry up. Hurry up. My voice is so big. Yeah. Yeah. Make your face bigger than the part. I'm gonna put some high one so I don't cover my decoration. I'm gonna put some egg splattered on my face and my face is messy.
Oh,
For
Oh
real?
my God.
No, just kidding. I'm just making a joke.
Oh. That's really
Why so many animals go to the market even though they cannot fit together? What? What? Because there are actually so many people going to the market. I love drawing now.
Why?
La 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 la.
Going now.
Because I like to draw My Little Pony. Yeah, she likes drawing My Little Pony. And I can draw like Sparkle.
While you are drawing and painting, I'm going to sing some Let It Go song, yeah?
no, I know.
No,
Okay.
don't.
Yes.
And Miss Benny, okay?
Yes. That's okay.
I beg you, please. I want to sing something, okay?
Yay.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Let it go. Let it go. Can't go anymore.
Mr. Al, you should probably practice like a million times.
What?
I think you need to practice more because you're good at talking, but you're not good at singing. So I think you need to practice more at singing.
Is it true, Ruth, that I need to practice a lot?
Yes, you need to practice a lot like me. Like into the end, oh, into the end, oh, into the end,
I can sing like that. Into the unknown. Into the unknown.
I cannot stop laughing because you. Oh, I see my reflection on the glass.
Why you guys are so mean?
There's a cat on my head. No, I think you need to practice more. I'm not mean. I just, I'm pushing you to practice more. Oh my God, there's a cat on my head on this app.
How about you, Devanka? Can you sing something?
In music class, we sing. No, I don't know what to sing.
No.
If I sing, my voice will be bad.
How about you, Ivo?
Only never.
How about you, Ivo? Can you sing something?
Yeah, please.
Please, please, please.
Please.
Please don't sing again, Mr. Al.
Why?
Because it's very funny. It's very funny until it's making... Everybody knows that Mr. Al is a boy. Yes, Mr. Al is a boy. Because it's Mr. Ow! Mr. is a boy. It's
Yeah, I'm
not
going to try to
Mr.
sing some Twinkle
what?
Twinkle Little Star, yeah? Check it.
Mr. Al.
Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle star, how I wonder what you are up above the world so high.
Don't laugh.
Keep your laughing in your heart, okay, everybody? Now laugh while you're muting. I know. I have a challenge. If you laugh, you have to mute.
Okay, if I sing and you laugh, you have to mute the mic, yeah?
And then Mr. Hal have to sing.
Yeah, I'm going to
If
sing.
anybody laugh.
Okay, I'm going to sing. You have to try to not laugh, yeah? Ready? 1, 2, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ah,
Look, you have to mute because you laugh.
oh my God, I'm muting now. I was going to.
Point. It's still fair. It's fair point, okay? I'm not going to laugh.
Okay, I'm done. How about you guys?
Do anyone have a challenge, like maybe scary contest or something fun, but not related to singing? My back is so hurt. Mister, stop, mister.
Yeah, I'm going to sing.
Seriously, why is everyone caring about Mr. Al's voice? Stop caring about Mr. Al's voice. It doesn't matter if he's not the best at singing. Where's Glenn? Can I try to sing Into the Unknown?
Yeah, try it. Before.
Into the Unknown! You cough while you're singing. Mr. Al? Mr. Al?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a drink. For my kids. Why does a baby want to drink? Because it doesn't want to drink.
What? I cannot hear you. What is that?
A baby wants to drink. The baby doesn't want to drink.
The baby wants to drink?
I have a joke.
What?
Really? I'm gonna poop. Can I have a joke?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gonna what?
Why did the baby? I'm gonna drink the milk.
Why did the baby?
Because he's thirsty.
No, because it killed someone.
Sorry.
Actually, not for real. It's actually don't say that. That is not a good word.
Joke.
What's so funny with the kill something?
That's good at jokes.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I only do knock jokes.
My back is so hurt. Did you notice? Throw the tree on my head. I'm throwing on a tree on my head.
Man.
I'm opening an app that can make everything that when you open, you have to press. But don't press Halloween. It might give you a fright for 1,000 days.
Alright, who's done? Who's done?
Well, I am not done. Who is on my house? It's a tree on my head. I know, right? 100%
Yes.
funny. I want to tell you a funny joke. If I want to go to the toilet, someone peed on my hair.
Oh,
When I want to take a bath, a tree with a dirt and on everything is on everywhere.
Wow.
You know what that means?
I don't
know what that means. That means so many trash and all the things that I used on my head. What? What
all
are
right,
you
who's done? Defanka, are you done?
What are you doing with your face like this? Like that?
Yeah, because it's hurt on my neck. I'm just like the whole day watching. Yeah,
My
I'm
back
facing
is so hurt.
I'm facing the screen for the whole day. Like, oh my God, it's really hurt. Okay.
Gosh, my back is so Anyone want some grape? What? Yes, I want some grape. Take black and white.
It's spicy. How was the gradation?
Well, I was black and gray. I finished my but my home is different now. It keeps changing and changing and changing. But I don't know why. I didn't make it like that. Did I press the wrong button or like something like that?
Okay, I think I'm done. Who's done?
Wow.
This is my painting.
Okay, I don't need to color the sky, but I only have one more left. Well, I color the sky.
Yeah, color the sky with gradation, Evo, with dark.
I don't want because it takes a long time.
Yeah, actually, learning
Well,
art,
I'm done with the sky.
uh, learning art is supposed to be fun. You don't need to be stressed.
Oh my gosh, this color is like the ocean.
But try to color it, Evo. I'm going to wait.
Guys, look at this blue color.
Yeah, nice. Come on.
Like the ocean, you know. Yeah, looks like an ocean. It's the wind of my eye.
Why is my purple is so dark?
Mr. Al, why did you turn off your video?
What?
Because he want to go somewhere.
No.
No, he's still... And put on his glasses again. I was making something. So that means, which one did I see? So that means, okay, let's go do the challenge again that you cannot laugh. If you laugh, you have to mute yourself.
Okay. Who wants to be the clown? Me? Okay.
What?
I'm going to sing it again.
So there are three. So I mean not three. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 girls and 1 boy.
Yeah. I'm so sad. I don't have any friends.
Really good.
Kidding. I never won the kingdom.
Okay.
There's no Glenn thingy. Huh?
And not to me at all. It's time to see what I can do. To test the limit and break through.
You're laughing again. Then you have to mute.
Let them see. Let it go.
Good girl. You
Let it
always
go.
have me.
Let it go. Can't help it.
Look, you laughed, so you have to mute. My mommy's laughing.
Let it go.
Look,
Can't hold it back anymore.
if you laugh, you have to mute, remember? Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. You see, I'm not laughing.
Ruth, how come that your voice is really good? Are you practicing singing every day?
I think I can too.
Don't you sing.
Stretching. I'm just stretching.
Why are you scratching like that? I thought you want to fly somewhere. So you want to fly somewhere.
Hey, I laughed, so I have to mute.
Okay. Now I want Evo to sing the Let It Go song. Ready, Evo? 1, 2, go.
Yes, it.
Evo, sing the song.
I see muted. Yes.
You're muted, Evo. We cannot hear your voice if you're muted. Well, again, if one of you laugh again, you have to mute.
All right, Evo, come on. Mr. Al wants to see you singing. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Sing what?
A Frozen song. Let it go. 1, 2, go. Don't laugh. If
Don't laugh.
If Alithia and Ruth and the Franca laugh, you have to freeze like this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go. Evo, sing.
Snow rolls white on the mountain tonight. I'll begin to be seen. The kingdom alive, elation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like the storm is swirling tide. Couldn't keep in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. We don't control, we always have to be. I still don't feel, don't let them know. Well, not anymore. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam on the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Hey, bravo, bravo, bravo.
Use my tummy to sing and my throat to sing.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Actually, I am your biggest fans now, Evo and Ruth. Yay, whenever you sing this, I will be at the top.
Song.
How about you, Ruth? Can you please sing one song?
Which one? I want to sing another song.
How about tomorrow? Tomorrow.
Running out of time.
Okay.
How about we present?
You don't know that song.
I didn't know that song.
Okay, what is the song that you know?
Counting stars.
Oh, okay, counting stars. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Oh baby, I've been praying hard. Take no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Just like that.
Okay, yay. Bravo, 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 everybody. Now, Alethea.
Hold on. I just laugh because I just sing.
Yeah.
Which is
Alethea, can you sing a song? One song? Cannot, yeah.
I only sing Korean songs.
Oh, Korean song. Yeah, that's a good idea. How about you try one? Come on, ready?
Uh,
One.
wait, oh no, I can't.
Ya, bumbaya.
it's like
Ya. Yeah.
Macam. If you want to. Okay. Macam mata macam ngaji kan kata macam mata macam ngaji kan kata
Jajanan. Yeah, bravo, 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 Alethea. The only
that does
Korean
not
song
sound
that,
like Mr. Al.
yeah.
What?
I'm going to sing a Korean song, Bumbaya. Ya, Bumbaya. Ya, Bumbaya.
Don't laugh.
Bumbaya.
You mute. Don't laugh. Close your mouth and be mute.
All right.
I feel myself.
Ya, Bumbaya. Ya.
I love I.
Okay, who's done? Come on, it's time for us to present.
I'm done. I'm gonna sing again. I wanna sing again. I have a new song again.
All right. Yeah. Come on, sing one song.
Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I don't know, you get too far. Cause I still want that savage love.
Yay, Ivo. Nice, Ivo. Mr. I give you 2 thumbs up. Yeah. If you become an
Ooh,
artist
can
later on.
Because I want to try my thing.
Okay, Ivo, are you done with your painting? You want to present it? I thought everyone needs to be having a rest after this, yeah, because I think you already try your best to.
I get in charge of my hikes.
All right, start to present. Don't forget to tell your name first. Do it properly. All right. Hi, my name is Ivo. Speak louder and clearly, and then. All right. Are you ready now, Ivo? 1, 2, 4.
Hi, my name is Ifo and this is my beautiful painting. It's about a campsite and there's 3 flags on this one, blue, yellow, and green. As you can see, there's a tree and tents and class is starting on a thingy. Here's students have their all of their things at the campsite. And also, as you can see this, which is the part. It gives slums, okay?
Okay, where do you think?
Okay.
Yeah. Are you happy with that, Ivo? Which area that you think is very hard for you to draw? Which area? Can you show us?
Um, sky because I don't have enough blue.
Okay, you think that the sky is the very hard part of your painting. How to solve your problem at that time? You say that the sky is the hardest part of your painting. How you solve your problem? How to fix it?
I take another paper because my mom prepared so many papers.
Okay, sure. Yeah. From 1 to 10, how many stars that representing your feeling today about your drawing, about your painting?
I think 1,000,000.
So many, my God, 1,000,000. Yeah, all right. Is there anything you want to say, Ivo? Are you satisfied with that? Are you happy with that?
Yes, but I wanted to say it goes very well when you put it at the lamp.
Yeah, that's true. All right, next. Who wants to be the next one? Bravo,
Who wants to
Ivo.
sing first?
Ivo, I give you 2 thumbs up.
I
Okay.
know.
Your drawing looks really cool. You create so many children in front of the picture, and then you also color everything. See that you're already sleepy. I don't want to push you more further because we have to prepare everybody so that you're not getting a lot of stress. How about you, Alithia? Are you done? And Ruth, you want to present your work?
I'm not done.
Okay, come on, faster.
Follow the sky.
Group XOXO?
Yeah, it's Ruth XO. XO is something like a Korean group also, right?
I'm going to change my name.
Yeah, I'm going to change my name also then. How to change my name? Okay.
Mr. Al, my name is going to be Ifo Sokolas. Ifo is creative.
Yeah, I changed my name now.
I like creative, ma. Mr. Awesome.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Wait, I'm going to check my light.
We are.
I'm done, Mr. Al.
I.
Who's done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, you want to present it now?
Yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2, go. Eyes on screen, everybody. Watch Alithia. What? This one's really good. Go, Alithia. Hi, my name is Alithia.
Hello, my name is Olivia. This is my painting I made. So I made the 4 people. It's by the texture and I colored those pens and ink. I colored this
And then?
part of well. French right. I don't know what it is. Why? But called
Yeah.
And this is a girl that I made for the first one.
Mhm.
Has green hair
Yeah.
and a pink bow. We have a purple shirt without any sleeves. And this is backpack, but I don't know what's the name of it.
Yeah. Wow. That's really
One,
cool. Wow, cool. Alithia, if you ever heard about the drawing competition, I think you should try to join with them, yeah? You're drawing very good. I can see that you're becoming more better and better in terms of drawing the people shapes and the background behind it. All right, Alithia, I really trying to be honest to you that your drawing really awesome. I give you two thumbs up. Yeah, and maybe you can be in illustrator if you maybe you have a project for illustrating some book, you can be the illustrator. This drawing are really cool, awesome. All right, Alithia, congratulations. Yeah, try to keep up the good work, try to draw, try to practice more in drawing. Yeah,
Now it's Ruth's turn.
awesome. Alithia, I'm so proud of you. Your drawing becoming better and better, and I'm so confident with that. Thank you,
Now
Alithia.
it's
Now we,
Ruth's turn.
yeah,
thank
we're
you
going,
so much.
yeah. Can you repeat again?
Thank you so much.
Hi, you're welcome, Aditya. Don't forget to keep on practice, yeah? Because later when you do not practice, your drawing will be more, maybe you forgot about how to draw better later on. Thank you so much, Alithia. Now we have the Devanka. Are you done, Devanka? Or Ruth? Ruth, are you done, Ruth?
Then I just went to the toilet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay. If you're already tired, Devanka, you don't need to present it. Yeah, maybe you can present it next week, Devanka. How is it? Yeah. How about Ruth? Are you done, Ruth?
You want to present it, Ruth?
Come on, Ruth, present it. Are you ready?
Unmute.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you ready, Ruth?
Wait, yeah, I need to pee first. Hi, my name is Ruth, and I made the I draw the camping. Here I draw a group of children here, and I draw two tents. I so this is so the two of the friends are in here, and the two of these ones are in here. And also I made a cloudy day, which means the sun is hiding.
Wow, cool.
And also I make two flags.
Mhm.
I change color, and I draw the sky, which means it is not hard to draw the sky blue. Good one.
Wow. Ruth, to be honest, your drawing looks really cool, even though that you still working with the clothes of the kids. I'm surprised, guys. This one is really cool. Yeah. Last time when we are having our art lesson like this, you are not really, I mean, your drawing are not really as good as now.
Mr. Al,
Ruth, you have to be proud of yourself because even Alithia give you a thumbs up. Yeah,
Mr. Al,
yeah,
can I show you something?
yeah. Wait. I'm talking with Ruth now. Oh, cool. Oh my God. People are trying to show her drawing and her,
Remember the other one?
yeah. Wow, see that? It's really cool now, right?
I worked very hard.
Yeah, later.
Also, Thea has one.
Yeah, when you go back to your school route, you can show all your painting, your drawing to your teacher. Yeah, I will be so sure that your teacher will be proud of you. They will see like, wow, wow, you will heard that sound. Wow, this one is really cool. Okay, Ruth, do you have anything to say?
I like my drawing 1,000.
How many stars that representing your feeling today, Ruth?
1,000, of course.
Okay, 1,000 only. Mr. Al is 1,000 trillion, trillion, billion, thousand, and something like that. Right?
1 million.
How about you, Alithia? How many stars that representing your feeling today?
10 million.
10 million. Yeah. So you're very, all right, so much. Okay then. Okay, I think the Fanka are now a little bit not feeling well because just came out from the,
It's the ending meeting.
yeah. Okay. Thank you, everybody. That's it. See you again next week. Yeah. Ruth,
Yeah, but wait,
on
I
practice drawing,
something.
and Alithia also keep on practice
I
drawing.
have to show
Right?
something.
When you go back to your school, you can ask your homeroom
I will
teacher.
have to show something.
Yes, Ivo, you want to say something to us? What is that?
I want to show something.
Oh,
It's this.
yeah, what is that?
There is a hat cap because the girl is wearing that I drew.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, before it doesn't have one, but now it has. Thanks to my fairy godmother. Look, where is she?
All right, that's it. Do you have anything to say, everybody? Thank you so much for
Don't forget to
staying.
say.
Mr. Alf is so happy. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to show your love like this.
Like this.
Like that. Okay. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Mr. Al.
You're welcome. See you again.
Thank you.
Bye.
I will need to check my way.
So happy. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Ivo.
Thank you, Mr. Al, for today's lesson.
Yeah, you're welcome, Ivo. Bye.
Ruthless.